밤에 타니까 번호가 안 보이네요. 56번인데. 56. 56.
50?
6.
इधर नहीं भाई
56.
बस
Korea or Japan?
Korea.
My friend is also
Yeah?
a big fan of Korea.
Oh, really? BTS? Yeah.
Where?
Where? What?
Which city
Mumbai.
are you going?
Mumbai. Yeah, Mumbai.
You are not going to Surat?
Surat?
You are not going to Surat?
No.
city. The industry area, Surat Silk City.
Oh, really?
Market also.
Surat? Okay.
Why are you going to Mumbai?
Just travel. Subscribe? Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah.
Wow, what is you do for living? Your
What?
business?
In India? Just
Yes.
travel.
Oh, when did you come in here?
Yesterday? No, 2 days ago. 2 days ago?
Ahmedabad.
Ahmedabad. Yeah. You go to the
Surat.
Surat?
I live in Surat.
You live in Surat. This is your hometown.
Yes.
Okay.
Big fan.
Oh, yeah. Hi. You're a big fan. Yeah. You like the BTS?
Yeah.
Which song you favorite? The BTS.
And which song?
Dynamite.
Dynamite? You can sing all the Dynamite?
I like BTS.
Oh, really?
Little.
I like.
You can sing the Dynamite?
No.
No?
Are you vlogging?
Yeah. I'm a YouTuber.
What's your channel name?
What's your channel name? Channel is Gomen. Please subscribe. Please.
Subscribe.
Please. Yeah. Please
I
subscribe.
like it.
Yeah, thank you. 지금 구독자 3명 늘었습니다. 예.
You hadn't uploaded video from why?
Yeah. It's Argentina.
Italy?
It's Bolivia. 구독자 1명 더 늘었습니다. 예. 아주 지금 영업이 잘 되고 있어요. 예. 지금 침대칸에서 구독자를 늘리고 있습니다. 예.
Do you speak Korean now?
Yeah, I can speak Korean, of course.
What you speak?
Yeah, now the Korean. Yeah.
안녕하세요.
Oh, good.
You watch anime?
What kind?
Japanese anime?
Japanese? Yeah, I like.
One Piece, Naruto.
Naruto?
My name is Naman.
I'm Naruto. I know the Naruto, but I didn't watch it.
I watched.
Yeah, I watched the Dragon
My
Ball.
name is Naman.
Dragon Ball.
Dragon Ball.
It's the older one.
Dragon Ball.
Dragon Ball. Yeah, Dragon Ball.
Yeah, I watch it.
Yeah. And the Slam Dunk. Slam Dunk. You know the Slam Dunk? No. Slam Dunk. The basketball. No. No. One Piece maybe.
I like
One Piece I
Harry
watch.
Potter.
I watch all episodes.
I like Harry Potter.
Oh, really? Wow. Yeah.
감사합니다.
감사해요. Good.
Thank you.
Good.
इन्होंने मेरे को गुड बोला ना, मैंने इनको थैंक यू
Yeah.
बोला.
You are exploring Hyderabad next? Exploring Hyderabad?
I heard about the exporting. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So what is the number?
Number 2.
Number 2. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
I just wanted to help you by, if you need any
Yeah.
suggestions or any
Yeah.
places to visit or anything else regarding Hyderabad. I am a local guy from there.
Oh, really? So
Yeah. I came for a marriage function to Mumbai. Now
Yeah.
I'm returning to Hyderabad.
Oh, really? So
And
I can ask to you something.
If you wish to ask anything else other than that, which you have seen,
Yeah.
you can grab
so
me your Insta as well.
I have the India phone number. I have
Okay.
India. Yeah.
Okay. If you need any help even in Hyderabad,
Yeah.
just even to stay
Yeah.
or some good places for having lunch and dinner,
Yeah.
you can ask me.
Yeah. Okay.
My name is Ali Sharif.
Ali Sharif.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hyderabad is quite safe than Mumbai.
Okay. Oh, really? Okay.
Definitely. You will see yourself.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much,
Yeah.
buddy. You
네. 자리 바꿔줬습니다. You can speak English?
Yeah. You are from
I'm from South Korea.
South Korea.
Yeah.
My name is Prem.
Frame. My is Coke. Yeah. You live in the Bangalore?
No, I live in Goa.
You live in Goa?
Yeah. I came here to my sister's place.
Nice.
You on vacation?
Yes, vacation. How is the Goa? It's they have a peaceful weather and also
The weather is very humid.
Humid.
Yeah,
Ah,
very hot.
very hot. Oh, it's different here.
Compared to Bangalore, it is completely opposite.
Ah, okay.
Bangalore is very cold, chill.
Yeah, yeah.
You don't get sweaty here. In Goa,
Yeah.
even in the house inside,
yeah.
if there is no air conditioner, you are a little sweaty. It's warm there.
Okay.
More comfortable place.
Here?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you?
I'm sitting. Is it comfortable seat
Ah.
for you?
But yeah, but you don't have a choice.
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
Later on, I'll go on top. No worries.
Ah, okay. Is it okay? Because they have no person here? No person here?
No, it is like this is your seat. This is mine seat.
So yeah.
Sitting.
But how do you go outside? How?
Afterwards, while sleeping, no sleeping time.
Ah.
I'll go on.
Is it empty now?
Yeah, now it is empty.
Ah, okay.
I'll go on top later.
I can go to outside if you want. What do you want? You want to outside or?
I can manage both. I'll take the top one.
Ah, okay.
Later on.
No problem.
You sleep here.
No problem.
You enjoy the view.
Yeah.
Because I travel now, you are like vacation. You should see the surroundings.
Thank you.
No, it's
Can I rent the scooter in the Goa? The motorcycle?
yeah,
Can I
you will
rent?
get on near the railway station now.
Yeah.
Outside there is
Yeah.
taxi counter. There you will get.
Ah, okay. Yeah.
If you know any places you have planned in Goa,
No, I have to search. I have to study. Yeah. Because I don't know where to go. I have a book, so I have to looking for. 지금 이제 구독하세요.